Students, let's discuss the question and answer of the Tiger King. In this chapter, there are so many questions which are very important for your final examination. Today, I am going to discuss with you some important questions which may be asked during your final examination of English Code. The first question which may be asked from Vistas, it's the title, The Tiger King. Question number 1. Discuss and justify the title The Tiger King. You have to write the answer like The Tiger King is written by Kalki, a very renowned author. A number of short stories written by Kalki, and he has written so many novels, so many plays, and this story which there are in our textbook. The Tiger King is apt and convincing title because we have seen that a 10 days old child, when he asks the question of his death, the astrologer tells him that he will be killed by the 100th tiger. And then the 10 days old child twists its tongue to speak, and he says that all the tiger beware, I am coming to hunt you. And you will be very surprised to know that after this incident, the 10 days old child becomes normal and doesn't say anything and behaves like a normal child. When he grows up, he has not forgotten about this foretell of the astrologers. After the death of his father, he becomes the king of Pratibandhapuram. And as I told you in one of the classes that he was named as Zilani King Jung Bahadur. When he becomes the king, he announces in his state that no one will be allowed in the forest of Pratibandhapuram to hunt the tigers. The reason for this announcement is that he has to kill 100 tigers to avoid the curse, to avoid the nemesis which was being described by the astrologer. As the astrologer has said that since you have born in the hour of bull, you will be killed by the tiger, the 100 tiger, as bull and tigers they are enemy. They are enemy of each other. So this animosity will kill you and you will be killed by the 100th tiger. Now he has taken a task, an assignment in his life to kill 100 tigers. Because after killing 100 tigers, the king Zilani Jung Bahadur may be free from the curse, may be free from the foretold by astrologer. Every time he visits the jungle or the forest, he used to kill 7-8 tigers in each visit. And as you know that at last when the number reached 27, all the tigers in that kingdom were hunted by him. There was not a single tiger in his kingdom now. Again he calls a meeting and he asks his ministers what to do. What to do so that the number of tigers may reach 100, because he has the problem with the 100th tiger. Now his ministers advises him that you have to marry. You will have to marry the princess of the neighboring state. In that state there are a number of tigers, and when you go there and when you kill so many tigers, the number may reach up to 100. This advice of the minister liked by the king, and he sends the marriage proposal to the king of the neighboring state for his daughter. The proposal was accepted, and Zilani King Jangjang Bahadur gets married to the princess of the neighboring state. And each time in his visit to his in-laws, he used to kill 8-9 tigers. The days were passing and passing. Almost 3 years have passed. The king had a son, means the prince of Pratibandhapuram, and the number of tigers which he had hunted reached to 99. But see the nemesis, see the luck. The 100th tiger was not to be found anywhere, even in that state where he was get married. Now what? The hunters arranged one tiger for the king to kill. The king took the aim and shot the 100th tiger. The tiger was there on the floor, and the king was very happy that now I have won the game of life and death. That now the tigers cannot do anything to me, and I will not be harmed by any tiger. And what happened that when he goes back from that place, the hunters came to discover that the tiger was not dead. Actually, the tiger was not dead, it was breathing. The king was not told these things, this incident. The hunters killed that tiger, and they did not tell anything regarding this to the king. On the 3rd birthday of his son, or the prince, the king was playing with the wooden toy tiger with silver quills all over its body, silver needles in the form of hair. One of the needle, which was of silver, pricks one of the fingers of Zilani King Jangjang Bahadur. The infection spreads all over his body. 3 doctors operate him, but they could not save his life. Now we have seen that the 100th tiger becomes the cause of his death. Though the 100th tiger was not alive, it was a wooden toy tiger, but he was killed by that tiger, a wooden toy tiger. That's why the title is apt and convincing. The title is a perfect title for this story, because the whole story revolves around the tigers, its hunting, and playing with the wooden tiger, and the infection is spread by a wooden tiger. That's why the title is apt, the title is perfect. In the next class, I'll discuss with you the second question of this chapter. Please do make notes of this question which I have just discussed with you in order to get the best marks. Otherwise, nothing can be done. If you will not study well, you will fail. So try to make notes, try to write the question and answer as per the discussion over here, so that you may get the maximum marks. Thank you very much. In the next class, I'll meet again.